Okay, for the upteenth time. Haven't cut it open yet, but been receiving phone calls during this. Recording. Let's see, these PMTs have gone up in price actually. Just a few months back, they were think about how much? About $80. And here we go, guys. Oops. Here's one. And here is two. Get this out of here. There it goes. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, good God. Always something going wrong. But here we go. Yes, sirree, Bob. So I'm going to put these on. Let's see. I guess tomorrow. So yeah, tomorrow evening. I get these put on. And let's see how this goes. Hold on a second. Follow me to the old truck. Oops. Yep. There we go. See the tread difference. Not too bad for 3 years, right? See, it's still got the groove. It looks a bit more worn out than it is, owing to the dust. But you know, there's a flat patch there, so it's about time to get rid of it. But here we go. So these are the new tires. Yes, sirree. We're a little happy now. A slight smile. Right, that's it for now. Excuse the room, it's a bit messy, but it is the way it is. Later, as we start, the next filming will be me actually removing those wheels and putting on the new ones. See you later.